My fiance snores, and let's just say it's not exactly the romantic background noise I was going for. We tried Z Quiet. It's an FDA cleared anti-snoring mouthpiece that's ready to use right out of the box. From the first night, it helped reduce his snoring, and honestly, that tiny change transformed our sleep. Quieter nights equals more energy in the morning, and yes, I finally get to enjoy my cozy bedtime rituals in peace. If snoring is stealing your sleep or your peace, Z Quiet is a game changer. Sleep better, live better, love better together.